Okay, back in Hyde's garage here. I don't know if that's clear or not, but she's running at 10 pounds at 180, I don't know, 182, I guess, for temperature and pressure. I hooked up this other heater that I had. So, you know, obviously I had to pipe it and all this stuff, wire it and stuff. Oop, turned it off. I picked up this little box there. I think it was for $5 or something, and it works great. I can this one here turns on and off my pump, which obviously your circulating pump you want on. So that turns on the heat. Obviously you can't feel the heat, but that turns on the heat there, and this one actually works. So this is what I was doing tonight, is I was well, piping that all in there, and I didn't really like the way it's situated in there, but what he's supposed to do. So yeah, I guess obviously I'm gonna have to scrape that down some and throw some paint on her. But I'm gonna have to build some other type of heater or something. That other heater that I got doesn't seem to throw very much heat. I might hook it up anyway, just because what I found with this is you have a lot of water in here. It's about, I'd say 20 gallons of water. I almost half filled a 45-gallon drum. So it's quite a bit of water. It's, well, say 20 gallons would be up around 90 liters of water. So it holds a lot of water. And what I found is, well, you can see it's barely going here now. I don't even know if you can even see the sparks. But it's hard to control. After you get the temperature up on this water, I've got to just got to let her die down, because I don't want to boil the water. So, and right now at this point, this little heater here isn't using enough heat out of the system here to for me to keep adding wood to it. It's not, the boiler doesn't have to recover, so as no, you know, not very fast at all. So it's hard for me to just crank the old wood right to her. I have to back off on it. So anyhow, I'm gonna have to build something, whether it be out of I still got a bunch of pipe here. I might have to build some type of I don't know, some type of a heater just out of pipe. Just put it in a box sort of idea and have a fan run through it. But I'll figure that one out later. But this is kind of the recap. The boiler's working fine. This other heater that I have is working fine. So it's working good. I just have to build something that build one or two boxes or something that's going to use up the heat. that it's ready to put out, sort of idea. It looks like it's going to work real well. It's just I just have to use the heat, I guess, what it comes down to. Cheers.